Learn how to build your own website from scratch with HTML and CSS, all within Adobe Dreamweaver. First, open Adobe Dreamweaver. We're going to start by creating a new HTML document. Select File, then New. In the New Document window, choose HTML from the category options and click Create. Great! Now we have our blank HTML canvas. Let's begin by building up the basic structure of the web page. Inside the window, locate the body section, where we'll be adding all of our visible content. Time to add our first piece of content. We're going to add some key tags. Let's start with a less than h1 tag for our website heading. Within these tags we can include the heading text to include in the website. Now we're moving on to CSS, which is where we bring our website to life. Let's create a basic style. To create the stylish page, we need to link that CSS file to our HTML document. After that, just add your CSS properties such as color, font size, and more. Now you're ready to create the stylish pages and foundation of the design. This is your first website.